For this next operation, we will be creating a Rolldie C-hook toolpath. The Rolldie C-hook creates toolpaths around a rotary axis. It follows for the tool's orientation to be controlled from the tool's side. The toolpath can be rounded or squared on outside sharp corners. When a taper tool is used, the tool can run up and down the crease formed at the intersection of the two walls at an inside sharp corner. With that being said, come down to the bottom and select Levels. Under Levels, make sure that Level 10 is not visible and number 20 is. At the bottom, select Toolpaths. In the Graphics window, right-click and select Top WCS. Zoom out so you can see your part accordingly. Come up to the top and select Home and select Run Add-ins. Scroll down to find Rolldie and double-click. Once you have this, come over to the side here and select the red line. Select the purple line just above it, and again the red line one more time, for a total of 3 clicks. Once you have this done, your part should look like this. Select OK. Make sure that contour is selected. Also, you should have Change Geometry as 1. On the left-hand side, select Tool. Go to Select Library Tool and Filter. Select the tool type Flat End Mill and make the tool diameter equal to 3/4 or 0.75. Select OK. Select your tool and select OK once more. Enter in the comment, machine the right side of the slot. Once you have your comment in, along the left-hand side, select Cut Parameters. Change the compensation direction to right as opposed to left. On the left-hand side, also make sure depth of cuts are turned off and multi-passes are also turned off. On the left-hand side, select Linking Parameters. Select Clearance and give it a clearance of 4. Change Feed Plane to Absolute 0.5. Top of stock needs to be absolute 0.251. Depth needs to be absolute and a value of negative 0.929. On the left-hand side, scroll down and select Rotary Axis Control. Make sure that Axis Substitution is turned on, the rotation direction is clockwise, the axis substitution is substitute y-axis, and you have a rotary diameter of 4.218. Also make sure Unroll is not selected. Select OK. From here, make sure this value is 0.001. The tool vector length should be 1, and slot should be turned on with a slot width of 2.26. Once you have this, select OK. In the Graphics window, right-click and select Isometric. From here, come up to the top and select Backplot. Select the Options menu in Backplot. Make sure that Display Vectors is turned on with a length of 1. Select OK. And hit play on your backplot. Your backplot should look as shown. Select OK when done. Come up to the top and select Run Add-in again, and select Rolldie one more time. In the Graphics window, right-click and select Top. From here, make sure that Chain is selected, and chain starting from here down. Your chaining should look like this. When this is done, select OK. On the left-hand side, select Tool. Select the same tool, the 3/4 flat end mill, and this time, instead of the right side, we're going to machine the left side. It should read, machine the left side of the slot. On the left-hand side, select linking parameters. Make sure that your clearance is 4, your feed plane is absolute 0.5, your top of stock is 0.251, and your depth is absolute -929. When this is done, on the left-hand side, select Rotary Axis Control. Again, make sure the values align with that of your training tutorial. Mine do. Select OK. Ensure these values also align with that of your training tutorial, 0.001, 1, and a slot width of 2.26. When you have this, select OK. Again, go to the Graphics window, right-click, and select Isometric. Backplot, and select Play. Your backplot should look as shown. Select OK to exit. Highlight all the folders by coming up to the left here and select all operations. Select the Verify. If you would like, turn on Color Loop and select the Play button. To save time, I'm going to simply select End. Your part should look as shown. Select the Close box. Make sure all your folders are selected and come up to the top to post the file. Select OK. Save it in a location where you'll be able to find your NC code and hit Save. Once you are happy with the G-code, close. Come up to the top and select File, Save As, Browse, and find an appropriate spot to save this tutorial. Congratulations! You have just completed tutorial number 3 of the Multi-Axis Essentials Training tutorial.